Hey guys. This video is just to show you another reason of upgrade failure on Linux. If you are on virtual machine. Let's see it real quick. This occurred to me, and I thought of sharing it with you all. This is happening because you have an antivirus that is actually working fine. So, if you want to update your Linux, turn off your real-time protection and try again. This usually doesn't happen with Windows security, but will definitely happen with your dedicated antivirus. The same thing can happen to those who make your bootable OS for Linux installation. So turning off the antivirus when dealing with these things is recommended. Until next video. Stay tuned. See you. Bye.